By mastering the art of customer management, companies can better maintain and grow their existing customer base and relationships. Due to the relationship between customer loyalty and revenue, managing how to communicate with your customers is a practical management approach for success. Your customers can be identified and shared using customer relationship tools and widgets because they provide a simple user interface for data collection. In today's video, we will show how adding several contact widgets can help you boost your customer management using Elfsight, a SaaS solution with an extensive package of solutions, allowing small businesses to design online storefronts and enhance e-commerce websites with widgets and deep integration options. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Elfsight was created to assist business owners in increasing sales, engaging visitors, collecting leads, and much more. This system has helped over 1 million business owners select the right widget for their needs, generate leads through excellent customer service, and increase social media followers. The platform's applications can also be embedded into any website platform, allowing users to create, configure, and alter their websites without knowing how to code. The Elfsight Contact widget was created to meet your feedback and communication needs. There are over 20 different sorts of fields to pick from, and you can add as many as you need, rearrange them, modify their labels, add placeholders, and decide which fields are required to submit a message and which should be hidden to avoid overcrowding the form with unnecessary information. With 3 balanced layouts at your disposal, it's easy to locate the ideal place for the form on the page. Layouts such as default and boxed can help your form stand out, while floating turns your form into an expandable icon. The number of columns with fields can also be varied in any arrangement, so you can get the look you want. You can also use the predefined style templates to give your contact widget a fashionable design, while still maintaining the functionality of your website. For example, the icon, button, progress bar, and other active elements can all be painted in a different primary color. The smart Elfsight one-click colorizer tool automatically selects the most contrasting hue and paints the remainder of the elements in that shade. The Elfsight Form Builder widget is all you need to create fill-in forms on your site. The platform is a universal tool that allows you to create various forms to collect data from your clients. For example, you can have contact, feedback, survey, and booking forms supported by the software and configured in seconds. You don't have to think about where to put the widget on your page. This website's form creator widget comes in 3 layouts: default, boxed, and floating, which has an expanded form icon and can be displayed on several pages. Regardless of the arrangement, you can separate text into 3 columns. Besides, the online form creator features 5 pre-made styles and custom interface painting. If you choose the primary color, the rest will be painted in contrasting shades to make the interface user-friendly. You can also update the header, change the title text, and add an icon from the software's library. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful online marketing tactics. You can use this easy and intuitive form to gather email addresses downloaded in CSV format. You can add a header with a caption, ask for the first name, last name, and email address, or keep it simple with just an email field with an explanation label and a placeholder. The widget also allows you to choose post-submit actions, such as redirecting users to a URL, showing a success message, or simply hiding the form. Besides, you will have a color scheme generator that will automatically design your widget for those who value their time. Just pick a primary color, a dark or light mode, and let the auto color designer do the rest. Of course, if you want a unique design for the widget, you can always edit each element separately. Pop-up, header, background, etc. There is no need to program to see all changes with the free configurator. Did you see all the options available to create amazing websites using this platform? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Elfsight services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other great features this platform has for you. You can create a high-converting banner that fits your website's overall style and meets your business goals with the new Elfsight Banner Builder for the web. Just pick a picture for your banner, position it, choose a backdrop, fill in the title and text, and add a link to your website, email, or phone number. You can also add a video to your site to make it more interactive. The link can be opened in a new tab when you click on your banner. Any of these elements can be turned off or on at any time. Your banner can even be fully clickable. You can also change the color and wording to capture attention and set the button's fill and outline. You can choose the button corner radius and size. Also change the text font and add the link. You can redirect a user to a URL, call them, or send them an email once they click the button. All these possibilities are available in the website banner creator with a single click. You can create a banner that perfectly matches the look of your website. Modify the widget's width between custom and full width to make a unique feature. Any popular banner size can be designed, including billboard, medium rectangle, leaderboard, and skyscraper. The online configurators will allow you to see changes instantaneously without hours of coding. With Elfsight, you can construct a simple countdown widget on your website to convey a sense of urgency. Set the start and end times, then choose the action. You can also add a message to appear above the timer. With a custom countdown clock widget, you can build a timer for each client to count their time on your website. You can configure it for a few minutes or a few hours, as you can activate and disable any time unit. Also, a holiday countdown widget can help you make the most of the holiday season and not let consumers miss out on your promotions. With Elfsight Countdown Clock for Website, you can create an eye-catching festive sale bar. The plugin has gorgeous themes for New Year, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Black Friday. You can put it in the page header, footer, or wherever else you want, or make it scroll with the page. Elfsight lets you get the most phone calls possible from your clientele. Any user can call you by just tapping on the widget's icon on their smartphones. And your number appears in bold on desktops for easy dialing. The widget will only appear for a chosen group of people and on the specific pages where you request it to incite more calls. It is possible to set a call trigger, and the icon will appear at a pre-selected time. To further customize your Call Now button for the website, you can choose from various bubbles and call windows. These elements can be viewed, hidden, or replaced with your text. For example, you can show a photo of the person you want to talk to, along with their name, and write an inviting message in the call window. Your website's pricing table feature provides you with the most crucial pricing details. You can give each of your plans a title, describe the features in particular, and include images to help customers envision your offerings. You can also have an attention-grabbing button that displays all pricing specifics, such as currency, payment period, and range. Then, to create the most appealing price demonstration, you can reveal or hide the pieces and rearrange them. Using the adaptable pricing table plugin's features, you can improve the effectiveness of your pricing. To provide users with all the information they need about your product or service, use features and hints that appear as the user hovers over them. For example, the prefix and postfix price fields allow you to define price parameters, such as the payment duration, range, and currency. The buttons can be sized and colored to your liking, and one of the deals can be highlighted with a ribbon and featured status. With Elfsight's PayPal button, you can create a payment button that is as simple as putting in the product's name and price. If necessary, you can add tax and a delivery cost to your order. After each successful transaction, customers might be directed to a specific website. Elfsight added a localization option to the PayPal widget, allowing them to select the nation and language of their intended audience and the currency to be used in their transactions. In addition, the drop-down menus will enable you to choose the language and currency for each type of button. Elfsight pop-ups allow you to create any pop-up you want on your site. You can announce sales and special offers, collect emails and feedback, resurrect abandoned carts, and announce impending launches. Additionally, you can create very effective pop-ups with multiple targeting options. For example, you can choose which pages the pop-ups appear on, set action and time triggers, establish a periodicity, and decide which devices the widget appears on. The design-driven features will make your pop-ups unobtrusive while forcing consumers to pause and think. You can change the layout, block arrangement, pop-up form, and color. You can create realistic pop-ups by uploading images, changing the widget width, and more. Create amazing websites and online stores using Elfsight by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.